गुड इवनिंग सर्वश्रियन। जैसे कि आज हम लोग के लाइव आने वाले थे हम लोग 5 बजे, तो हम लोगों का थोड़ा टेक्निकल इशू के लिए हम लोग थोड़ा 30 होने वाला है। उसके लिए हम लोग माफ़ी मांगते हैं थोड़ा लेट आने के लिए। आज जैसे आप लोगों के पास इंफॉर्मेशन था कि हम लोग जीलॉय जूस को लेके लाइव आने वाले हैं, और वो भी हम लोग के वेलनेस हेड डॉक्टर विद्युत चक्रवर्ती सर आने वाले हैं। हम लोग आ चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। मैं डॉक्टर आना चाहती हूँ। वेलकम सर। एंड हम लोगों के पास जो इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है जिलॉय जूस के बारे में, वो अच्छा इन्फॉर्मेशन आप हम लोगों के साथ शेयर कीजिए।
Good evening, everybody. Now I would like to say about the Giloy juice. Giloy is a more powerful and proven herbs in the world. So we can compare with the Devi Durga, because Devi Durga has 10 hands. You know, she is a almighty goddess in the world. She killed the famous Mahishasura. He is a demon. So in our life, our remarkable demons are our all type of diseases. In here, Giloy is a Devi Durga. The Giloy has a broad spectrum to kill all type of demons very successfully and positively. Now you can ask me one question: what is Giloy? Giloy known as Amrit in Sanskrit, which translates the botanical sound आता है नहीं आता है
साउंड इज क्लियर?
Is sound is clear?
प्लीज कमेंट में जना कमेंट करने के लिए बोलिए।
Hello.
इफ साउंड इज क्लियर देन प्लीज डू कमेंट।
Yes, sound. If sound your comments, please. Okay. In botanically, its names is Tinospora cordifolia. The stem of Giloy plant is used for the treatment of chronic and intermittent fevers. What is intermittent fevers? It is a prolonged fevers. It is called intermittent fever. Giloy is a right approach to eliminate intermittent fever very quickly from our body. Is Giloy approved by the FDA? Giloy is known for its various medical properties. Its benefits have also been approved by the FDA. What is FDA? FDA is the Food and Drug Administration USA. It is the agency of WHO who privately tested the products and given the certificates and sent to WHO, and WHO also allowed a universal certificate for using the product. You can mix it or liquid form. Number 3 is Ayurveda recognized by WHO. Now I would like to say something to you. Ayurveda is 5,000 years old. In this respect, allopathy is 500 years old. Homeopathy is 300 years old. And Unani is 1,500 years old. But this is a fallacy. The Ayurveda is approved about 20 years back by the WHO. WHO adopted traditional medicine program in conjunction with the good of health for all with the adoption of primary health care approach. In view of this, Ayurveda is duly recognized by WHO. The source is taken on the date March 23rd, 2000. Botanically, it is called Tinospora cordifolia. Assamese, it is called Huguini loto. Bengali, it is called Gulancha. Sanskrit, Amrit. Hindi, Guduchi. It has heart-shaped leaves and that resembles beetle leaves. Now you would like to say about the beneficial chapter of the Giloy. This is a fundamental thing why we should use Giloy juice. Now friends, the number one benefit is boost our immunity. Giloy is considered as the queen of the herbs and the most versatile Ayurvedic herb that can treat many health problems. It regulates and strengthens the immunity, and report says it is source of biological active compound like alkaloid, lactones. Now you want to arise one question, what is lactones? Lactones are cyclic ester of organic acid. Number 2, reduce stress. Giloy used as an adaptogenic herb to reduce anxiety as well as mental stress. Nowadays we are little bit suffering in stress and agony. Giloy, known as adaptogenic. Adaptogenic is the compound of or ingredients of the Ayurvedic herbs Giloy, which can reduce the anxiety level as well as mental stress in our body. It combined with the herbs, Giloy can help in getting rid of toxins and it calm down the mind and boost the memory. Yes, our memory is needed very much selenium. Giloy is loaded with selenium, which can recharge our brain very successfully. Number 3, treats arthritis. Giloy contains anti-arthritic properties that help to treat arthritis. In this matter, I would like to say there are 100 tribes of arthritis exist in this world. The most of the working days have gone due to attack of arthritis. In this case, the Giloy is a fundamental giving answer, and it several symptoms. For joint pain, the powder form of Giloy stem can be boiled with the milk and consumed. Number 4, treat diabetes. You know the diabetes is a silent killer of all diseases. It welcomes all diseases very quickly in our body. Don't delay to treat the diabetes. Detect your diabetes at first and treat immediately with your therapy, and also adapt the Giloy as a supplement therapy. This herbs helps in managing the level by assisting in the production of insulin. We know in our body, pancreas is a great organ which produces the insulin in our body. When the pancreas does not produce any insulin from our body, then the glucose level will higher to higher level. That is called hypoglycemic effect. And that is called hyperglycemic effect. And another is hypoglycemic effect. Both are dangerous. Both are dangerous. Both are nearer to your death. In this question, the diabetic level can be manageable by the use of Giloy juice in control level and regulated level, which can give your lifespan extended and also delaying the diabetic from your body. Number 5, respiratory problems. In this juncture of this present scenario, I would like to say the corona or COVID-19 is a crucial disease, and more than crores of people have lost their lives due to attack of coronavirus. it can defunct our body organ system. The organ system, that means lung organ, is going to defunct after after invaded condition of the coronavirus. Now the friend, it helps to reduce the respiratory problems like frequent cough, cold, tonsillitis due to its anti-inflammatory benefits. The giloy has the most powerful ingredients that can control the inflammations in our body. And giloy has anti-inflammatory agent. And we are getting the positive benefit from the respiratory trouble. It can also tackles the respiratory and breathing problems. There are also major signs of the novel coronavirus infection. So, we should take giloy immediately for our healthy body, for our life-saving measures, giloy. Number 6, improve digestion. Indigestion is one of the most common problems in India. We go through these problems because due to lacuna of the positive enzymes in our body. Giloy is such a herb loaded with different types of enzymes which helps to our body to improve digestion systems and bowel movement. You know, the bowel movement due to constipation is the main cause for healthy bowel movement. The constipation is growing in our body due to lacuna of the fibers. The giloy has the most powerful fiber products which can eliminate the bowels very successfully from our body, and also clearance of the constipation is going after intaking of giloy juice. It is used in various Indian churnas. You know, churna is a system of the Ayurveda, and the Ayurveda churna is the powder form. The giloy is used as a powder. Previously I told you the churna, and it is used for improving your digestion capacities. It also improves metabolisms and useful for your weight management. Because you want to lose your weight, giloy can help you. Giloy is the biggest friend in your life. It can lose your weight within a few days or few months, and magnificent body will given by the giloy juice. Number 7, solution of the chronic fever. The herb is often used to bring down the fevers commonly without any side effects due to its antipyretic activity. We know we should oftenly use antipyretic tablets, capsules or juice for controlling fever within a few days. The giloy has such a capacity, the antipyretic properties which control the fever very powerfully, and within a few days the giloy will be eliminated from your body, and the fever is eliminated from your body. My dear friends, I would like to say giloy is doing its positive works in your body with like the Devi Durga. It is used in various Indian churna. It is used in your body very positively without appearing any side effects. Without appearing any side effects. It has no side effects. Science has given the certifications of these products. Drinking fresh giloy juice helps to improve your immunity, say Ayurveda experts. Those who are Ayurveda experts, they have given their opinion. If you consume Giloy, elixir or juice, it can improve your immunity level. And it also increase the platelet count. After attacking the corona, the platelet count is lesser than healthy level. It is a common phenomenon. In this scenario, Giloy is producing more platelet inside our body and protecting the corona very successfully. Improve vision. The eye is a very spacious organ because both the eyes are the very useful organ in our body. In this case, Giloy is known to have antioxidants such as lutein. What is lutein? Lutein is loaded with 600 types of carotenoids. You know carotenoids because carrot is supplying one beautiful antioxidant that is called carotenoids. I want to like to say if you take 10 ml Giloy, that is more powerful than 600 types of carotenoids. So you will guess the Giloy juice empowerment. The antioxidant helps in your body, improving your eyesight and keeping your eye healthy. Number 9, my dear friends, reduces signs of aging. Aging is a common phenomenon. After some age, you will be old, you will be older, and after that, some period, you will be oldest one. It is a common phenomenon of the world. The Giloy can maintain anti-aging. It can arrest your age not to proceed again. This is the science. It can obstruct your aging process very successfully. So the anti-aging properties that help to reduce aging. That means your age will be automatically greater, but your sign of aging will not place in your body exactly. In the same time, it eliminates dark spots, pimple, acne, fine lines, wrinkles very sincerely. Giloy powder can also be used for various skin problems as it helps to remove toxins from the body. You know, the toxin is the biggest, and the skin is the biggest organ in our body. And what is the actual measurement of the skin? If your weight is detected 100 kg, your skin weight is 16%. That means 16 kg. That is the biggest organ. So you should well aware to keep your skin in healthy forms and norms. So you are bound to take Giloy juice for your maintaining healthy skin structure and healthy brightening of the skin conditions. It saves our skin from different problems and removes toxins from the body. Number 10, that is the last one. And is the 10 hands of the Devi Durga. That is healing. Giloy also help in stimulating phagocytic cells, which helps to treating wounds. Now you would ask to question me, what is phagocytic cell? You know, in our body, one is red blood cell, another is white blood cell. And phagocytic cells belong to white blood cells. It can engulf bacteria, foreign particles and dying cells to protect the body. Because these are the agents for killing your body, killing your skin. That is, the agent are bacteria, foreign particles, that means outside of the particles, if invade in your body, that is called foreign particles. And dying cells. The accumulation of dying cells is the basic cause of all type of disorder, which can very successfully protect by Giloy for healing wounds. Nowadays, now you want to say me, you want to know the actual dose consumed twice daily after meal with a fresh water. As because the water have to take more and more, and everybody should take water up to 3.5 to 4 liters per day after consume of Giloy, because it is a hydrotherapy. Water taking process is the hydrotherapy. It activated, it improved the Giloy level efficacy. So I would like to congratulate our chairman of the company, Sarvasri Herbs Limited, Mr. Gopal Kundu, and he also congratulate him for introducing the Giloy juice in the arena of our world. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you everybody. Jai SHPL, Jai SSPL, Jai SSPL.